Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys aeroplane mode setting guys. How can we enable and how can we use after enable aeroplane mode setting in our Samsung phone device guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys Samsung phone aeroplane mode setting and how can we use it. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So then we will on guys our Samsung phone guys phone setting guys. So after on phone setting, as you can see this tab settings. So once we will click on phone connection setting, as you can see your flight mode means guys aeroplane mode. So we will tap here to enable it up. First of all guys, you can see this notification. As you can see while flight mode is on, you can turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on again in setting or the quick setting panel. So now we will enable it. So after enable guys, your mobile network will off. So we can use guys only Wi-Fi network. So we will turn on our Wi-Fi setting guys and we can connect any Wi-Fi network guys and we can operate our phone with Wi-Fi network setting guys. So as you can see I have connected this already guys this network. So as I will connect it and then we can use it. So like that guys we can enable aeroplane mode setting guys and we can use it. While flight mode on we can use Wi-Fi setting. So bye guys.